Okay, then you have some muscles that you need to be able to break down the name. So extensor digitorum is going to take the toes, which are the digits, toes 2 through 5, and extend them or bring them up. You also have extensor or flexor digitorum, which is going to flex toes 2 through 5 or pull them down. You have extensor hallucis longus. Hallucis means big toe, so extensor hallucis is just going to pull up the big toe. Flexor hallucis longus is going to flex the big toe. Up in the neck region, we have sternocleidomastoid, named for its 3 attachment points. It attaches on the sternum, the clavicle, and the mastoid process. The SCM is another way of saying that. It's going to pull the neck lateral flexion, forward flexion, or rotation of the head. Deep, if you pull that off, deep to the SCM, you have the scalenes. I just consider them as a whole. C2, I believe, through C7, maybe, comes down, inserts on ribs 1 and ribs 2. Rib 1 and rib 2, and the scalenes also will help laterally flex the neck and anteriorly flex the neck. Then you have the 4 suboccipital muscles. You have, might have to look at this real quick. Rectus capitis posterior minor, rectus capitis posterior major, both because they are straight muscles in the back, one's smaller, one's bigger. Then you have obliquus capitis superior, which attaches up here, and those 3 muscles all extend the neck. You have an oddball, which is obliquus capitis inferior, which does not attach to the occiput. It just attaches to another cervical vertebrae down here, and it actually helps rotate the head because it attaches to C1, and C1 is part of rotation. So you have the 4 suboccipital muscles. You have 2 kind of strange anterior neck muscles called the longus capitis and longus colli. What those do is help to form the anterior curve of the neck. They're also called what's part of the prevertebral group. Posteriorly, splenus capitis, splenus capitis, and what's the one that means bandage? Splenius cervicis are both posterior neck muscles that help stabilize the neck posteriorly and are deep to the trapezius. That's all I can remember.